So today we will talk about the remaining part of the antibody, right? So basically, as we know that we have one heavy chain and other we have a light chain. So as we all know that this is basically the light chain and this is a heavy chain. Let's talk about the bonds between them. Today we will talk about the bonds between them. Okay, if there are bonds between two different chains, bonds between two different chains, right? So that bond will be basically a disulfide bond. So you can see over here we have a light chain and a heavy chain, so there will be a bond, right? Here will be a bond as well, and there will bond between two similar chain as well. Bond between two different but similar chains, right? So as we have these both heavy chains, so they will bond as well, right? Here we have the disulfide bond. Now now you can calculate that there are basically 4 disulfide bonds, right? Okay, if the bonds are present in same you can say same chain, then that bond is basically known as loop. That is known as loop. So basically there are two loops in one. There are two loops in one light chain. So we have total 2 light chains. So there will be 4 loops, right? And we talk about the heavy chain. One heavy chain has 4 loops, so 2 heavy chain will have 8 loops. So in total we have 12 loops if we count their loop and their loop together, and we have 4 disulfide bonds. 4 disulfide bonds, right? I hope this is clear. Now let's talk about some antibodies, some types of antibodies. Right, so first we have is IgG antibody, which is basically transplacental. Right. The second we have basically IgA, which is basically present in the colostrum. Right, in the first milk. It is present in the first milk, and then basically it's also present in the tears and in the saliva as well, right? And one more thing, that there's another antibody which is known as IgE, which basically works against the allergens, right? It basically works against the allergens, right? So I hope this is clear to you. If you have any kind of queries, you can ask me in the comment section. Be very